Welcome to Cabin 5103, a midship ocean view in the wellness category. As you'll see, this room can sleep up to 3 when utilizing the single-person sofa bed here on the right. As we go through, be sure to make note of the storage options available. There are a couple of nightstands right around the beds. And as we come into view here, there are also a few shelves and drawers right in front of Jen, along with a closet just to the left. Finally, let's move into the bathroom. Pretty similar size to what we had in the two different rooms we've stayed in on the Seaside. And I'd like to thank you for watching our tour of Cabin 5103.